Arrive in style with this Kia 2020 Sportage SX Turbo. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 240 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, adaptive headlights, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.